What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video for our Mustang Hot Rod Garage. Today, we finally got ourselves our new neon sign. All right, guys, so I have been low-key wanting a neon sign for my garage for, I can't even remember. I always thought neon signs were awesome and look super cool in your garages. So I finally bit the bullet as a Christmas gift to myself and bought myself a neon sign. So I picked this one up off of eBay for about 200 bucks, and it is as close as you can get to a Mystichrome Cobra. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. It took a couple weeks to get because yes, it does come from China. So let's see how she looks. Damn. So this is it here. It's billed as the 2024 inch. They do have a few different sizes. So this is the 2024. I don't think the actual neon light itself is that big. So I'll give you the actual dimensions of the light here because eBay doesn't tell you. But let's get the rest of this off and see how it looks. So as you can see, here it is all unpacked. They had packaged this thing very, very well. It made it all the way from China, and it doesn't appear to be damaged. So I'll be sure to give them a good review. Now let's get this thing out of the box. Let's plug it in and let's see how she looks. All right, guys, so here you have it. It's actually pretty bright. As you can see, it's illuminating the whole side of the 68. I mean, lights on, bam. So it's actually surprisingly pretty bright. And they package it super well. It doesn't appear like there is any damage to any of the neon tubes. So I'm super happy about that. And it's got blue, might be tough to make out on camera. We have blue, green, a little bit of like a pinkish purple down here. They have the teeth, the eye, the tongue. So they really did a good job with the colors, and it kind of gives it that Mystichrome vibe with all the colors going on. So that's why I went with this one to put over by the Cobra. So let me get the measurements on this thing real quick. So it looks like the actual neon tube, we're looking at 21 inches wide by 22 1/4. So we're looking at about 22 1/4 inches tall by 21 inches wide. So it's a pretty big sign, pretty nice, not bad for 200 bucks, pretty unique, and it came in perfect shape, and I think it looks absolutely awesome. So I can't wait to figure out where I'm gonna put this on the wall, and I'll be sure to do another video on that once we finally get it mounted. But I wanna thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you like this video. If you have any questions, comments, be sure to drop them below. Check out some videos on my 04 Mystichrome Cobra and my 68 Mustang Fastback, as well as my new Bronco. And I appreciate all the support. Thanks for watching.